Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to explain you letters. So what is letter writing? Letter writing is an art and it is the oldest means of communication which has to be learned. So in this video we will learn the correct format to write a letter which will help you a lot in getting and scoring the good marks. So let's come and see letters. So how many types of letters are there? There are two types of letters. What are they? They are formal letters and informal letters. And in this video we'll learn about formal letters. So formal letters are the letters which are written to the editor of any newspaper. This could be letters of complaints, letter to principal, letter to shopkeeper, letter to any officer. So in short, you can remember that formal letters are official letters or business purposes letters, and informal letters are the letters which are written to friends, relatives, parents and our near and dear ones. So this is the main difference between the formal letters and informal letters. So in formal letters you have to follow certain rules, otherwise you will not get the marks. So what are the rules? We'll come and discuss here. So we are going to discuss the format of formal letter. So address of the writer, you have to start the first thing. I have divided the whole letter in 7 parts. So you have to keep these 7 things in your mind before writing a letter, and it should be in proper step. Okay. So first of all, you have to follow the left alignment. Always write everything to your left, right? So the first thing which you have to write is address of the writer or sender's address. After that, leave one line. The second thing is the date, but it should be written in proper structure. Here most of the students do mistake, and what they write, I am showing you that. So you don't have to follow this way. How you have to write date? There are 2 ways to write the date, and in this way you have to write the date. Next comes the address of the addressee. Now addressee is the receiver of the letter. So here you have to write the address of the receiver. Like if you are going to write the letter to the editor, so there you have to mention the editor. Editor of which newspaper? The Hindustan Times, Times of India, or you may get in the question that you have to mention. So here comes the address and the designation of the receiver. Now next comes the salutation. It just comes after the address of the addressee. The salutation depends on the different kinds of letter and person to whom you are writing a letter. So suppose if you are writing a letter to the editor, so there you have to write only sir or ma'am. When you are writing a letter to the principal, no need to write respected word, or to your class teacher, because sir and ma'am are already respected words. We call someone sir and ma'am to pay respect, and it must be to the left of your page. Everything in the letter must be in the left. Remember this. After salutation comes subject. So the subject, what is subject? About which you are going to write a letter. If it is a complaint letter, so there you have to mention complaint or any problem. So subject here this topic you'll get in the question, and you can write according to the question that what will be your subject. And then the most important part comes, the body of the letter. So the body of the letter or the message, this is the most important part of the letter. Its style depends upon the kind of the letter that is being written. But you have to keep certain points in your mind. Now what are those points? Let's come and see. It should be written in a neat handwriting. The language used should be simple and direct. The sentences should be short. Several points in the letter should be arranged in a logical order. It should be divided into paragraphs. Avoid punctuation mistakes, as sometimes it alters the whole meaning of a sentence. It should contain only what the writer means to convey, neither more nor less. In a business letter especially, this part should contain all the details of the matter required. And the last is the subscription. Now, what is subscription? The ending or the closing part of letter. So, there also I have seen that 99% of the students do mistake. Now what mistakes they do? While writing this thanking you at the end, I am just going to explain this. Thanking you. Yours. How students write? They just put apostrophe mark in yours. So this is wrong. No apostrophe. You have to write yours without using an apostrophe. Remember this. Yours faithfully. Yours sincerely. Like this. Don't write yours obediently. Obediently you have to use when you are writing a letter to your principal or to your class teacher. There you have to write obediently, but don't write obediently when you are writing a letter to mayor, to editor or any official letter. There. And then comes the name. Name or XYZ. If the name is given in the question, then you have to write the same name. If the name is not given in the question, you can write XYZ, but don't write your real name. Clear? This is the important thing, that the first letter of the subscription part must begin with a capital letter. Like here I have written thanking you. So it is beginning with a capital letter. Thank you students for watching my video. I hope that this video will be really helpful for you, and do subscribe and like my videos. Check our website for notes and explanation. The link is given below in the description and comment box. Thank you students. We'll meet soon in my next video with sample letters. Till then, bye bye.